In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the DNS settings in Wix websites. Navigating through the Wix platform to manage your DNS settings can seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find that it's quite manageable. We're going to walk through the steps that will empower you to confidently make the necessary changes to your DNS settings to suit your needs, whether you're moving to a new host or just need to modify a specific record. To start, we need to access your Wix account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you aren't already. Now that you've logged in, you should see your Wix dashboard. Next, you'll want to locate your profile. It's typically found at the top right corner of the screen and comes in handy when accessing various account functions. Give that a click, and it will present you with a drop-down menu of options. In this drop-down, you'll need to select the option labeled Account Settings. Clicking this will redirect you to an area where you can manage various aspects of your account. Among these options is an important section we're targeting today, domains. Find that and click on it to open up a list of all the domains associated with your Wix account. This is where we can really get into the weeds with our DNS settings. Next up, you should see a list of domains on your account. Next to each domain, there will be 3 tiny dots. It may not look like much, but those 3 dots are your gateway to more management options. Go ahead and click on them. Doing this will expand the menu with several choices, and among these, look for Manage DNS Records. Clicking on this will take you to the main event. Now you'll find yourself in a section dedicated fully to managing DNS records. This is crucial for anyone looking to modify existing records or add new ones. Here you have the ability to change records like your ACE name or MX records, depending on your requirements. To edit a specific record, you'll want to click directly on Edit a Record. This opens up a window where you can make the necessary changes. And there you have it. You've now accessed and made adjustments to your DNS settings within Wix. Whether you're switching to a different hosting service, setting up email, or making other changes, understanding how to navigate and modify these settings is invaluable. Remember to double-check your changes to ensure everything is correctly configured and your website's connectivity remains uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate the world of DNS settings on Wix with greater confidence.